Hi everybody, welcome back. I hope you're having a wonderful day. I want to take you through all of the pieces that I made throughout 2022, and it's going to be a two-part video. The first one will be all of the clothing that you see behind me, and then the second part is going to be all of my DIY lingerie. Let's start in no particular order. I have 17 pieces in total. So let's start with the summer bang, which is the Dolce Gabbana Set. It's a skirt or a layer skirt, a tiara skirt, and a top. I really like this piece. This is so cute, and I wasn't really able to wear it because I only finished it after the summer, but it's definitely going to go in my luggage for whenever I go on holiday or this summer. The next one is this Maxi. This is Grace. It is by Seamwork. I remember I'm not really playing fair. I finished this somewhere in December, but the first time I made pictures was maybe the 1st of January. I think I finished it on 31st even. So it's in this year. I love it. It was a very easy fabric to work with. It is viscose, however it did linen viscose, however it did fray a lot, so I really had to use my overlocker. But a cute outfit. I wear that one to work often. Then there was this one. I didn't present this one. This one is a skirt that I think I had on one of my previous mood boards. I'm not sure, but whatever I have, I'll post it in here. I didn't take pictures of it, but it's a cute short pencil skirt with a ruffle in front. This one is by Berta. I don't remember which fabric I used. I have something that is very recent. This one is the knit mode skirt with a twist in the front, pencil skirt. I have this as part of my Sew Your Design wardrobe for winter by Seamwork, or based on that, but these are my outfit mood boards that I made. I made this skirt to go together with the Sloan sweater, which is this one right here. This one was one that I made 3 times already, and I really love them together. I do have pictures. Then we have this. Listen, I feel absolutely like $1,000,000 when I wear this bodysuit. It is beautiful. This one is one that is also part of that same faux fashion mood board, and it is from Dresser. So it's this bodysuit, and I matched it with this pencil skirt, also by Seamwork. It is the Margot pencil skirt with 2 slits on the side. I have a really good reel for this one, but in any case, you'll see the pictures. Then I have this mini skirt right here. This one is from my project Graveyard. I never finished it. It is about 2 years, I think 2 years ago maybe, that I started it. And I'm just really happy and really proud that I stuck to it. This was my vision. It's just so cute. And I finished it off with some bias, so on the inside it looks really beautiful as well. This is one of my favorite makes of this year. And this one will be paired, or was paired on my mood board, with the Lisa cardigan, which is similar. It was a project about maybe between 1.5 years and 2 years ago, and this was my struggle point, which was the buttons, but I managed to figure something out. Improv is my friend, and it's really nice. The fabric is great. It goes well together. It also goes well with the other pieces that I have, which is something that I really want for my wardrobe. And I'm very intentional when I'm picking out fabrics and prints and colors for it to be something that I could wear that I not only can wear it this way that I planned it, but also mix and match with other pieces in my wardrobe. This is my favorite by far. This is Luxie, which is my nickname, my official nickname. And Seamwork had named this dress after me, this pattern after me. And if there's one, there are two things that I'm really proud of that I achieved this year. And one of them is definitely this one. It is absolutely just, the fabric is amazing. The dress is really good. It fits really well. And yeah, highlight, my favorite, hands down. Then I have my pink dress, which is my Think Pink. Although this dress was part of my project graveyard, it isn't something that had been in there for a long time. So I'm very, very happy that I was able to finish it. What I liked about it as well is I used a viscose lining, but then purple, just a little bit of accent. Also in most of my clothing, I do have this little label, and which isn't always true because it says, hello, I'm organic. But it does say not to tumble dry, the degrees that you are allowed to wash it on, as well as iron friendly. Love it. And every time when I wear this dress, there's only one person that comes to mind, a friend of mine, and I'm just so proud of her. I'm really proud of her, and so I'm happy that this dress reminds me of her, and she knows when I wear it how extremely proud of him I am of her. Then we have this dress, Corina. Little red dress of this year. The same fabric as I used last year. It has a split in the front and a little bit of a boat neckline. Really, really beautiful. I did create a short, but I didn't create an actual video with process, and so that one is one that will be pending this month, hopefully. That you will get to see a little behind the scenes of creating this dress, but it was super easy, and it's just a beautiful dress. I'll probably, no, that's too much. Then we have something that you didn't see before, and that is this Palazzo Pants. I bought the fabric in, not the last fabric fair, but the one before that one, somewhere in April or May, I think April. And I have this pattern, I think it's from the Great British Sewing Bee. It's really easy, although the pattern is really not really my size. I still have to do something with it, but in any case, I had to take it in a lot. But one of my fave, love this, and I can mix and match it and wear it with different items. I didn't present it. I didn't film the process. Well, I think I did. I filmed the process, but somewhere I made a mistake, and so I was giving you false information, and then I was like, no girl. So I might still use it and just, you know, there's no shame in my game, and just tell you how it is. But it's beautiful. I didn't finish the hem. I left it with the overlocking stitch. I'm not sure. I like it this way. I really do. I might just use this like fabric glue, something that you can use for the hemming without actual sewing, or I'll use the blind stitch, hem stitch, to finish this off, because maybe it will be better. You let me know what you think. two items that I made for my holiday, and it is the Mesa Dress, also by Seamwork. Really easy. This is the second time that I'm making it. I made it in one afternoon, really. I have the same label in there, and it has two little slits on the side. It's really cute to wear with sneakers, and just easy, something to throw on. Very breathable, but your dress, you know, not too tight or anything, especially if you're going in warm weather. It's absolutely fun. Plus, you don't need to iron it, which is amazing. Then we have this one. This is a mood society pattern. It is the Silvana tank, and super easy, like this type of top. I would likely make it in a tank as well, but really love it. It was easy, wore it all the time, and especially also easy to throw on over a bikini or a one piece or whatever, swimming suit or anything. So I really love it, especially for where I went for my holiday. Amazing. And then this one is wet because it just came out of the wash. But this is a I remade a bearded dress. So there's a bearded dress that I'm going to put on the screen. That was what I wanted to do. So there are two things that went wrong with that dress. First, I cut the front on the self side, so you had a seam going all the way down in the front, which I'm not a fan. And then second of all, I couldn't figure out the twist neckband. It was just too much. And it was too long. It was too wide. So I repurposed it. I just took out all of the seams, and I chose another pattern which I could use this fabric for. The only thing what I did have to do is buy a little bit of fabric for my sleeves, because I wasn't able to get my sleeves out of the first one. It was just a no-go. But it is from Fashion Style. Sorry that the lighting is so bad. And it has two slits on the side. I really, really love this. It is so simple, but it fits so good. And I wear it all the time. I wear it to work all the time. I can wear it with my knee-high boots. I could wear it with my shorter boots. I just love it. I still have to film what I did. I'll also take pictures, but cute. And those are all the pieces that I made for 2022 in terms of clothing, and I'm just so happy. This does not include things that I made, some selfless projects, because I usually don't post those, but it's nice. It's nice to make somebody else happy. As always, I enjoy making this video. I hope you enjoyed watching. Don't be afraid to comment down below if you have any questions or just want to say hey. Have a great day. Bye.